Good day to the family I hope to work with. I'd like to introduce myself to you. My name is Rowena Tyro Mahmoud. I am 45 years old. I am married. I live in Zamboanga City, Philippines. I finished my education at high school, college level, undergraduate. I have experience working as a nanny, caregiving, childcare worker for 8 years. I took care of 0 to 3 months old, 4 to 6 to 9 years old. My duties included feeding the child, preparing meals, bathing and changing clothes, helping with the homework, playing with the child, keeping the child safe and clean. I am patient, kind, responsible, and hardworking. I love the children and I treat them care, love, and respect. I can follow rules, manage my time, work independently. I am always willing to learn and improve. I am honest, trustworthy, and flexible. I will respect your family, culture, household rules. Thank you for watching my introductions. I hope to work with your family soon.